Hello to all of you, and thank you for taking the time to join us. CalCom's team is happy to announce a CHS major product release. We've worked hard to create a whole new CHS user experience, offering an intuitive user interface and enhanced features and capabilities that will make your hardening project easier than ever before. But first, I'd like to shortly present to you a few sub-products we've launched in 2020 and our 2021 release roadmap. The first is CSS for IIS. CalCom Security Solution for IIS provides an answer for IIS middleware hardening. CSS for IIS contains three main features: learning mode to help reduce operational costs and prevent downtimes, centralized enforcement to ease the change management procedure, and applied change control that will ensure a continuously hardened environment. The second item we've launched this year is a new solution for Windows 10 hardening. This solution can come in two variations. The first, treat your endpoints as servers, learns your endpoints and predicts the impact of every configuration change on endpoint functionality. This way, it can indicate the possibility of outages when implementing your desired image. The second variation simply improves and hardens your Windows 10 images to achieve better security posture in your endpoints. CalCom Windows 10 hardening solution ensures that the organization's endpoints will be resilient and constantly hardened. According to our release roadmap for 2021, we should expect a structural change in the file server, file sender mechanism in the first quarter of the year. We've changed the information transportation method for enhanced security and encryption. If this is the first time you hear about any of this or wish to get more information, please contact us. And now I'll move on to showing the new CHS system. We are launching a new product interface for the CHS Policy Center console. The new web-based UI was designed from scratch to meet enterprise server hardening challenges in a user-friendly and intuitive way. We are bringing to you the new Policy Center with the belief that it will enhance the automation capabilities we present and help infrastructure teams to easily take control over the hardening tasks. The new updates don't sum up only in the design of the interface. We've also developed new features to ease the task of server hardening. Let's enter the system. The feature we've upgraded is CHS navigation capabilities. The new release features advanced navigation capabilities so that you can get to perform the required hardening task on the desired server in the simplest way possible. The new navigation panel ensures that you always get a clear view of asset lists and policies managed, enforcing the enterprise's servers. For example, when clicking on Computers and CHS Assets, you'll get the full server list that is currently managed in the Policy Center. By clicking on Policies and choosing the Duplicate Policies tab, you'll get a view of all the servers with identical enforcement in one holistic view. We also have new reports options. By clicking Reports and choosing Reports by Computers, you'll be able to review all the comparison reports available per server. This web page is showcasing all the servers in the system and enables you to view the policies attached to these servers. By choosing Reports by Policies, you will get to view the list of policies active in the organization and the servers grouped under them. You can view both reports by policies and by computers as rows or as tablets. Getting back to the assets list, you can see our new action panel. The action panel eases the large number of actions available. The actions are automatically customized to the different product pages. All the actions are marked with intuitive icons, all grouped and explained in a legend available when hovering above them. We will move now to the core of the system, the comparison report. You can create one by choosing a computer, a policy, and pressing on the comparison report icon in the action panel. This is the comparison report, the heart of the CHS system. The detailed analysis is per server and shows the potential impact of configuration changes on the production environment. This report is based on the comparison report from the previous CHS system, but in a new design and with the new capabilities we've added. First, you can see whether this is an active or non-active report, which means that this is the report of the policy that is currently implemented on this machine. You can get a health indication. Health condition indicates the health of the CHS procedures, the agent's health, and that the report presented is correct and reliable. When the report is stated as non-healthy, administrators can access a view that will indicate what's broken in the process. Also, by hovering above the icon, you'll get a short description of the problem. We've also updated indication of active policies and server stage membership to see whether it is on learning mode, enforcement mode, or rollback. You can see here that this machine is on learning mode. Another new feature is an automated exception management. You can filter all the red indications that alert that an object activity was found and decide to set them automatically as an exception. The object activity data will automatically be logged for audit purposes instead of manually updating the information of each exception. The data appears here. You can also add a note to the exceptions without affecting the compliance and impact them. When hovering above the E icon, you can press the edit icon and add your notes here. Lastly, we have two administrative features that have changed. The first is the user authentication method. The upgrade to a web interface provides the ability to log into the system remotely through simple browsing. The second is enhanced settings options. The new design provides centralized management of all the system and security settings of the Policy Center. This sums up our CHS 2020 new version release. We hope this new and improved version will give you more options and will save time and effort when hardening and managing your enterprise's infrastructure. If you have further questions about this new release, the new products and solutions presented today, please contact us at info@calcomsoftware.com.